Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Tuesday's live session. We are about 3 hours into the trade. Markets have again given up all the gains and gone below day before yesterday's low. We have seen there was a very nice pullback yesterday. Pullback had sustained all throughout the day yesterday, and there was all the symptoms of recovery being to continue for another couple of days. But today again markets have given up all the gains of yesterday as well as has gone below day before yesterday's low, which means it is continuing the existing downtrend which started in the recent times. This is the chart of Nifty. Well, yesterday we had seen 18,500 levels. Today Nifty back to 18,300 levels. It had made a low of 18,231 on Nifty futures chart. So whatever the recent downtrend that we are witnessing, 18,998 onwards, this is 18,200, which means about 800 points of down movement. We have seen 1 or 2 days of recovery like yesterday. Yesterday we saw about 200 points rally, and today we have seen all the 200 points being given up. This is the chart of Nifty, currently trading at 18,300, opened at 18,430 levels, went down as much as 18,231 and now trading at 18,300. Bank Nifty also is no different. From 44,248 levels, we have seen 43,045 today, new lows in the recent period, which means the yesterday's gains which it witnessed, moving from 43,200 levels to 43,550 levels, has now been taken out, and we are back to the new lows. Today it opens around 43,400, goes up to 43,000 and now trading at around 43,170. So all the gains that we saw yesterday was a very short term 1 day pullback. Whenever a pullback happens, even if the pullback is not for 2-3 days, then you can continue to understand the market is in bear grip. So these kind of rallies which looked like it will sustain has given up, and sufficiently it is easily taking out all the recent lows. So till where it might go, we have no clue, but we can safely say markets are in downtrend. And yesterday with respect to Bank Nifty chart, we were discussing 43,050, 43,160, 43,177 and 43,185. These were the 4 lows that were there, and again it has taken out 43,161, 171 and 185. It has just taken the support of 43,045 or 43,050, right? It has touched 43,050, and from there on it is slightly trading above the last 4 lows, which means the December's low is what we are now seeing is the new low of December, or you would say this is the lows of 43,045. 43,050 was on 28th of November. We are somewhere near to 1.5 months low now. So 28th November onwards it was moving up. 44,248 is the recent high. From there on back to 43,000 levels. From here on you can expect further downtrend, and where is the next support? We have to wait and watch where it exactly takes the next support, but currently there is no buy levels for Bank Nifty. We will once again see the Nifty on the hourly time frame and see what we can decipher out of the hourly time frame, it has been moving down from 18,998 until today's low of 18,231, which means about 770 points of downtrend. Right? So here we are with continuous new lows. We will quickly look into maybe Tata Group stocks has been trading lower in the recent past, and today it's no different. Comes down. Yesterday we saw some recovery, but again today it's very similar to the index charts. Tata Communication has created a reversal or the sell levels at 1290, now trading at 1303. If you again see Tata Communication trading below 1290, then you can safely go short in Tata Communication. This is Tata Consumers. There was a small buy at 803 and support at 801. It just takes the support at 803 and now trades at 807. Tata Motors heavily in the downtrend, near to 400 levels now. You can see the recent high is at 450. It was in the narrow range of 420 to 430 bands here for many days, but now it has given up that band also. Probably this is one stock which will go further down. It had already made a good pullback from 387 levels and it had gone up to 447. It had made one high of 440, came down again, touched 440, but it was not going above this 440 levels, and now trading at 406, which means there was a sell at 440 levels, which market just gave up and started coming down. This is the stock of Tata Power. Tata Steel, something wrong with the chart data. It is after the split, there is some issue on the data. This is the Tata Steel stock on the hourly time frame in a very narrow band. So there is a buy support at today's low of 109 and it actually breaks out above 114. TCS continuously in the downtrend. We will look into some of the IT companies today. HCL Tech has been moving down. It is in the downtrend today also. It opened lower, went further down, and from there on there is some good pullback happening. Whether it will sustain into tomorrow also, we need to wait and watch. This is the chart of HCL Tech. Infi, nothing much happening in Infi except that it is in the downtrend. Wipro, same case, nothing much happening there except that it is in the downtrend. TCS we just saw, opens lower, making some amount of pullback now. This is the chart of Tech Mahindra. Well, it is also in the downtrend without much trading opportunities. This is the chart of TCS. Maybe we can look into M&M, automobile sector, had a very good pullback yesterday, but it is equally weak today. These kind of wild patterns Beware of such wild patterns. Goes down sharply, comes back sharply, again goes down sharply. So these are the charts. Sometimes if you catch the trend, it is very good. You can make some quick money out of it. But if you get caught on the wrong side, then you have to be very strict with your stop loss. Irrespective of what kind of movements are there in the market, be strict with your stop loss. Be aware of your stop loss. Stop losses can be of many a types. It can be time based stop loss, it can be price based stop loss, it can be any other higher time frame based stop loss. So you need to be aware of your stop loss mechanisms. You can learn these specific stop loss things through our trading for living programs. In case you want to know how to put a stop loss, how to make an entry, how to identify the targets, how to do the risk management, how to bet on each trade. These are the factors that we teach in our trading for living program. So in case you want to learn these things systematically, you can always contact on the number that is being displayed. We will be happy to guide you systematically. We are not SEBI registered analysts, so we don't give any tips, we don't give any recommendations. All information by or sell that is being displayed on the chart is a public information, is not a paid service. It is freely available and for general public to make a decision on their own. We just give the pointers. It is for you people to make a decision of buying or selling based on some of the information that we give here, and these are not to be construed as recommendations. Go ahead and do the trading in a systematic way. Trading can provide you decent living provided you stick to the rules, you learn the rules and work in a very disciplined fashion. There are a lot of youngsters who want to become traders, who want to see something in this, and for such people there is not enough platform where people can really learn in a proper way and learn the game with a less cost. Here we not only coach you on the mechanics of the stock markets, we also handhold you for several months, so that you are with us and we observe your trades, we see your psychological patterns, we see on the runtime how you behave and what kind of corrections you need to establish in your thought process, in your trading strategies and in your risk management activities. So only when you get guided through a proper coach is when you can really be in the game for long haul, which means if you really want to be in the markets for really long period of time, then definitely it is worth investing your time on learning. Do not expect to be in the market for a long term basis in case if you want to, and if you are not ready to learn, put that effort, spend couple of years in small trades, small budget, small risk, so that you can get ready for the bigger action. Markets will always be there, it's only that we should be in the market long enough to make money. Well, very happy to give you this information. We will again see how the market behaves tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.